Hello student, now we'll start the exercise 1.1. In my previous video, I had explained all the solved examples from the chapter 1 before the exercise 1.1. You can see that video also. Now in this video, I will explain the question number 1 and all 6 questions from the question number 1. But before going to the exercise, I will explain again the formulas. विद्यार्थी मित्र तुम्हाला फॉर्म्युलेज हे माहितीच पाहिजेत आणि त्याशिवाय तुम्हाला तो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करता येणार नाही. ओके, नाउ द फर्स्ट y is equals to f of x. This is a function and dy by dx it's a derivative. Here normal list है. Derivative of constant is 0. Okay, any number is 0. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 times root x. Derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Okay. X raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. And derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. This was a list in 11th standard. 11वीची ही यादी आहे तुम्हाला. Now next, one more list of the formulas, that is the rules of differentiation. If u and v are differentiable function of x and if y is equals to u plus v, then dy by dx is equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. Y is equals to u minus v, then dy by dx is equals to du by dx minus dv by dx. Y is equals to u into v, then apply the product rule, that is the dy by dx is equals to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Next, the quotient rule, y is equals to u upon v, then dy by dx is equals to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx upon v square, where v is not equals to 0. Y is equals to k into u, where k is a constant, then dy by dx is equals to k into du by dx, where k is a constant. Now, this is the important list. Y is equals to f of x, and here dy by dx is equals to f dash of x. Derivative of constant is 0. Derivative of x raised to n is equals to, its a derivative is n into x raised to n minus 1. Now see this here, f of x raised to n, then it's a derivative. dy by dx is n into f of x raised to n minus 1 into derivative of f of x. Okay. आता सर्व तुम्हाला कंपोजिट फंक्शन असणार आहे. ही प्रिलिमिनरी लिस्ट आहे. आपल्याला या लिस्ट कडनंच इथेच आपल्याला हीच फॉर्म्युले जास्त इम्पॉर्टंट असणार आहे. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ द रूट ऑफ एक्स is, तसा derivative of root x किती, तर 1 upon 2 times root x. Similarly, derivative of root of x is a 1 upon 2 times root x, but here one more term is that into f dash of x. Okay. 1 upon derivative of 1 upon f of x raised to n. Okay. इथे 1 upon x raised to n होता बघा, minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. Similarly, 1 upon f of x raised to n, its a derivative is a minus n upon f of x raised to n plus 1 into f dash of x. हे सगळ्यात इम्पॉर्टंट असणार आहे कंपोजिट फंक्शनच्या. ज्याला ही यादी समजली त्याला 100% तो एक्सरसाइज 1.1 समजणार. आणि कंपोजिट फंक्शन हा सगळ्यात इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. वन्स he understand the composite function, then he will understand the differentiation of the logarithmic, implicit, parametric and everything. Okay. Next, derivative of sin of x काय होता, तर cos of x. But here what is that? Derivative of sin of f of x means what? It's a derivative is a cos of f of x into f dash of x. Okay. Next, derivative of cos of x is a minus sin of x. And again here, derivative of cos of f of x is a minus sin of f of x, again into derivative of f of x, which is the f dash of x. Derivative of tan of x is a sec square x. Okay. Here, derivative of tan of f of x is a sec square f of x into f dash of x. म्हणजे प्रत्येकदा आपण त्या फंक्शन मध्ये असणारा सेकंड फंक्शन त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इंटू करत असतो. 2 असतील, कदाचित 3 पण असू शकतात त्यामध्ये. ओके. नाउ द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ sec of f of x is a sec of f of x into tan of f of x into f dash of x. ओके. अजूनही वन लिस्ट आहे यामध्ये. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ cot x means what? Cosec square x. Therefore, here cot of f of x, its a derivative is a minus cosec square f of x into f dash of x. Derivative of cosec x is a minus cosec x into cot x. But what about here? Derivative of cosec f of x is equals to minus cosec f of x into cot of f of x into f dash of x. या बाजूची सर्व जर यादी बघितली तर प्रत्येकाला f dash of x ने मल्टिप्लाय केलेलं आहे. त्या फंक्शनचा आतल्या फंक्शनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढलेला आहे यामध्ये. Derivative of a raised to x means what? A raised to x into log of a. Here derivative of a raised to f of x means what? A raised to f of x into log of a into f dash of x. Okay. Derivative of log of x is 1 upon x, and similarly here derivative of log of f of x is f dash of x upon f of x. Next, ddx of log of x to the base a. Okay, ddx of log of x is 1 upon x into log a. Okay. Now here ddx of log of f of x to the base a is f dash of x upon f of x into log a. Okay, this is f of x है, तर इथे x है, x. Okay, and in this way I had completed this list of the formulas which will be required for the exercise 1.1. Now we will start the exercise. Exercise 1.1. Here is the first question. Okay. Differentiate the following with respect to x. The first question is x cube minus 2x minus 1 bracket raised to 5. Let y is equals to x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5. Here we take u is equals to x cube minus 2x minus 1. Then you will get y is equals to काय मिळणार तुम्हाला? Here this bracket is replaced by u, that is a u raised to 5. Now differentiate this y is equals to u raised to 5 with respect to u. Then its a derivative is a 5 u raised to 4. A power's a simple derivative they काढलेला आहे. Therefore, what you will get? Resubstitute the value of u. What is the u? U is a x cube minus 2x minus 1. And hence dy by du is equals to 5 in bracket x cube minus 2x minus 1 bracket raised to 4. आता next, u is equals to x cube minus 2x minus 1 इथे आपण हे कन्सिडर केलं. मग त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह with respect to x करणार याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. Therefore, du by dx is equals to ddx of x cube minus 2x minus 1. But what is the derivative of x cube? Is a 3x square. Derivative of 2 into x, derivative of x is 1, derivative of 1, which is a constant. Its a derivative is 0. Okay. Therefore, you will get 3x square minus 2. This is the du by dx, and hence we know the chain rule. What is that? Dy by dx is equals to dy by du into du by dx. Substitute the values. Then, what is the dy by du? Here is a dy by du. What is that? 5 in bracket x cube minus 2x minus 1 bracket raised to 4. And what is the du by dx? 3x square minus 2. This is 3x square minus 2. And hence, dy by dx is equals to 5 in bracket 3x square minus 2 into x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 4. This is the answer. Okay. बघू शकता तुम्ही पुन्हा. Now the next problem. In brackets, सर्व algebraic functions यामध्ये घेतलेले. In bracket 2 x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3 x raised to 4 by 3 minus 5 and whole bracket is to 5 by 2. Let y is equals to. Okay. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Okay. Direct आता इथे differentiate without using u. Okay. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to. मग काय करतो आपण आधी या पॉवरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढतो. Okay. What is that? This is a 5 by 2. हा 5 by 2 पुढे घेणार. 2x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3x raised to 4 by 3 minus 5. 5 by 2 minus 1. Okay. Into f dash of x means what? इथे f of x काय? तर 2x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3x raised to 4 by 3 minus 5 into तो f of x आहे into f dash of x म्हणजे त्याचा इथे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट करणार. Okay, this is normal term 5 by 2 as it is. 5 by 2 minus 1 means what? It's a 3 by 2. Keep it as it is into ddx of 2 into x raised to 3 by 2. हा पुन्हा 3 by 2 पुढे घेणार. x raised to 3 by 2 मधनं minus 1 करणार. Again here 3, 4 by 3 पुढे घेणार. x raised to 4 by 3 minus 1. Okay. And derivative of this constant, that is again 0. Okay. Next, here is a 5 by 2. Again see this here. 2 x raised to 3 by 2. Keep this term as it is. Now here 2 get cancelled. Then you will get 3 into x raised to 1 upon 2. These 3 get cancelled. Then you are getting minus 4 x raised to 1 by 3. And hence the answer. What is that? 5 by 2. Okay. Next 3 x raised to 1 upon 2 means what? Root x. Minus 4. What is that? X raised to 1 by 3 means what? Cubic root of x. And these are the remaining terms. 2x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3x raised to 4 by 3 minus 5 and this way. Okay. याच एक्झाम्पलची सुरुवातीला तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस करा. Now we'll take the next example. Root of x square plus 4x minus 7. Again let y is equals to. Differentiate with respect to x we get. dy by dx is equals to ddx of x square plus 4x minus 7 raised to 1 upon 2. मग पुन्हा पॉवर ही पुढे घेणार आपण. x square plus 4x minus 7 1 upon 2 minus 1 into ddx of x square plus 4x minus 7. Okay. Here term as it is 1 upon 2 x square plus 4x minus 7 1 upon 2 minus 1. Then here you will get minus 1 upon 2 into ddx of x square plus 4x minus 7. What about the derivative of x square? Is a 2x. 2 into x plus 4x. Derivative of this x is 1. 4 into 1. You will get 4. Derivative of this 7, which is the constant. Its a derivative is a 0. Okay. Now the next 1 upon 2. Here x square plus 4x minus 7. Bracket is to minus 1 upon 2. Keep this term as it is here. Next multiplication 2 into x. 2x plus 4. Okay. पुढे बघायचे. This is 1 upon 2. Bracket is to minus 1 upon 2. ही पॉवर आपण खाली आल्यानंतर ती कशी होणार? तर ती प्लस होणार. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, suppose that here x raised to minus 1 upon 2. Then I can write here x raised to plus 1 upon 2 and that is nothing but the root x. And similar here x square plus 4x minus 7 raised to minus 1 upon 2. We can make it as a positive. That is 1 upon root of x square plus 4x minus 7. Next into 2x plus 4. Keep it as it is. Next take the 2 as a common. आपण इथे घेऊ शकतो. That is a 2 in bracket x plus 2. These 2 get cancelled and then you will get x plus 2 upon in root of x square plus 4x minus 7. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकताय. Okay. Now the next example. In root of x square plus in root of x square plus 1. Okay. प्रत्येकदा let y is equals to in root of x square plus root of x square plus 1. Differentiating with respect to x. Then you will get ddx of dy by dx is equals to ddx of x square plus in root of x square plus 1 raised to 1 upon 2. This is root. म्हणून आपण इथे काय केले? root of. Okay. आधी पॉवरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढणार. 1 upon 2 पुढे येणार. x square plus root of x square plus 1. 1 upon 2 minus 1. Then here you will get minus 1 upon 2 into ddx of this x square plus in root of x square plus 1. Okay. Now this power is minus. Again मगाशी आपण जसं raised to minus 1 upon 2 तो डिनोमिनेटर आल्यानंतर ती पॉवर कशी होणार? प्लस होणार. and we can write here in root of x square plus in root of x square plus 1. Okay. Into ddx of x square plus ddx of root of x square plus 1. But what about the derivative of x square? A is a 2x plus ddx of root of x. Root of x the derivative is 1 upon 2 times root x. प्रत्येकदा. Okay. You know the derivative of root x. Ha formula. What is that? 1 upon 2 times here is a root x. Okay. But what is here? We want to find out ddx of root of f of x. Okay. Then what is the answer? It's a derivative is a 2 times root of f of x into the derivative of this f of x, which is the f dash of x. फॉर्म्युलेमध्ये आहे ते. Therefore, the ddx of root of x square plus 1 is a 1 upon 2 root of x square plus 1 into derivative of this f of x. What is this f of x? X square plus 1. What is the derivative of x square? Is a 2x. Derivative of 1 is 0. Okay. Now these two to get cancelled. 1 into x will get here x. This is the 2x. हे terms जसंच तसं खाली आणायचे. Okay. Now next simplification. Root of x square plus 1 into 2x, that is a 2x root of x square plus 1 plus x. इथे plus sign है plus x upon in root of x square plus 1. Again say this here, 1 into 2x into root of x square plus 1 plus x. Keep it is as it is. Okay. Yeah. And next, here is x. Also here x. You can take x as a common. इथं या दोघातनं काय केलं आपण x common घेतलेला आहे. In bracket 2 in root of x square plus 1 plus 1. What about the denominator? Denominator ला root of x square plus 1 ने या whole term ला multiply करायचं. That is a 2 in root of x square plus 1 in root of x square plus in root of x square plus 1, and this is the answer. Okay. पुन्हा इथे बघू शकताय. Okay. Now next problem number 5. 3 upon 5 into cubic root of 2x square minus 7x minus 5 bracket is to 5. Okay. 3 upon 5 into cubic root of 2x square minus 7x minus 5 bracket is to 5. Let y is equals to. Okay. Now differentiate this with respect to x. मग हे कसं लिहिणार? Okay. This is the 3 by 5. But 3 by 5. Okay. But what about here? 3 by 5. Sorry. 3. हे टर्म आपण जर न्यूमरेटरला आणलं तर काय होणार? This will be the 5 by 3. Okay. Into जर मी ते न्यूमरेटर आणलं तर काय what will happen? It will be the 2x square minus 7x minus 5 raised to minus 5 upon 3. This is okay. Therefore, 3 by 5 ddx of 2x square minus 7x minus 5 bracket is to minus 5 by 3. Now it's a derivative. हा minus 5 by 3 पुढे घेतला 2x square minus 7x minus 5 minus 1 करणार. Then you will get 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 minus 8 by 3. This is completed. Into f of x, derivative of this f of x. What is f of x? 2x square minus 7x minus 5. That's our derivative. Derivative of 2x square is a 2 into 2x. Derivative of 7x. Derivative of x is 1, which is 7 into 1. And derivative of constant pi is 0. Okay. Therefore, simplify again this. ही power कशी आहे तर minus आहे. हे आपण denominator ला आणला. That will become plus. That is the 2x square minus 7x minus 5 raised to 8 by 3. Next, 2 into 4x. You will get 4x. Minus 1 into, sorry, minus 7 into 1. Minus 7. And इथे negative sign. Okay. हे simplification. इथे लिहिलेलं आहे. याची power plus केलेली आहे. And hence, dy by dx is equals to minus 4x minus 7 upon 2x square minus 7x minus 5 raised to 8 by 3. पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकताय. Okay. Now the last problem from the question number 1. माझ्या next video मध्ये मी question number 2 घेणार आहे या प्रकारे. Next problem number 6. That is in root of, in bracket, in root of 3x minus 5 minus 1 upon in root of 3x minus 5 bracket raised to 5. Let again y is equals to in bracket in root of 3x minus 5 minus 1 upon in root of 3x minus 5 bracket raised to 5. Now differentiate this with respect to x. पुन्हा powerचा derivative काढणार. Okay. Means what? F of x. What is that? F of x. होल ब्रॅकेट रेस टू एन या प्रकारे. बट व्हॉट इज एफ ऑफ एक्स? एफ ऑफ एक्स म्हणजे हे सगळं होल टर्म. नाउ 5 into in root of 3x minus 5 minus 1 upon in root of 3x minus 5 bracket raised to 4 into ddx of in root of 3x minus 5 या f of x चा सगळा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढणार minus 1 upon in root of 3x minus 5. Okay, keep this as it is. Derivative of root of x 1 upon 2 times root x. Okay, इथे ddx independently separately आपण apply केलेलं आहे. ddx of 3x minus 5 raised to 1 upon 2 minus ddx of 3x minus 5 raised to minus 1 upon 2. हे root x हे term हे रूट असणारा टर्म आपण न्यूमरेटरला घेतो. इट्स पॉवर विल बिकम minus 1 upon 2. Okay, keep this term as it is again. ddx of 3x minus 5 raised to 1 upon 2. What about the derivative of root of x? 1 upon 2 times root x. Okay, similarly here मग याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह करताना हे टर्म 1 upon 2 पुढे घेतलंय. 3x minus 5 1 upon 2 minus 1 म्हणजे 1 upon 2 minus 1 means what? minus 1 upon 2 म्हणजे हा 1 upon minus 1 upon 2. यातनं minus 1 जर गेला then here you will get minus 1 upon 2 into ddx of 3x minus 5. इथे 3x minus 5 चा आपण इथे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह मल्टिप्लाय करणार. Similarly, ddx of 3x minus 5 raised to minus 1 upon 2. Again take this minus 1 upon 2 here. Minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 minus 1 upon 2 and again minus 1. Here you will get minus 3 by 2 and therefore the bracket raised to that is a 3x minus 5 raised to minus 3 by 2 into ddx of 3x minus 5. That is the ddx of 3x minus 5. What is the derivative of 3x? Is a 3. Derivative of 5 is 0 in this way. म्हणजे काय की आपण आधी पॉवरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढतो आणि आतमधला जो काय आहे फंक्शन त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. अजूनही आपल्याला डायरेक्ट रूट ऑफ एक्स चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती? रूट ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स. ओके, सी दिस हियर. व्हॉट इज द ddx ऑफ हियर root of f of x? The derivative of root of f of x is directly 1 upon 2 times root of f of x into f dash of x. असं देखील करता आलं असतं. Similarly here. Okay. Now the next normal simplification असणार आहे आता 5 in bracket root of 3x minus 5 minus 1 upon root of 3x minus 5 bracket is to 4. Simple multiplication. This is the 1 upon 2. हा 1 upon 2 आहे. Raised to बघा minus 1 upon 2. We can take to the denominator. त्याची पॉवर कशी होणार? प्लस होणार. And raised to 1 upon 2. Instead of writing it, we can write root of 3x minus 5. त्याच्याऐवजी आपण root of 3x minus 5. Now the ddx of 3x minus 5, derivative of 5 is 0, 3x is 3. Okay, derivative of x is 1, 3 into 1, derivative of 5 is 0. Okay, okay, this minus and minus, that will become plus. Okay, पुन्हा 1 upon 2, this is 1 upon 2. 3x minus 5 raised to minus 3 by 2. पुन्हा denominator ला ते term आणणार. That is 1 upon 3x minus 5, it will become positive. Again, ddx of 3x minus 5. What is the derivative of x? Is 1. 3 into 1. Okay, 3. Derivative of 5 is 0. पुढे अजून normal simplification आहे. Keep this first bracket as it is. Okay. Next into. What is there? 3 into 1, 3. Again, into 1. Numerator's multiplication करणार. 1 into 3, you are getting 3. Upon denominator ला काय काय? 2. In root of 3x minus 5. It is a 3 upon 2 into in root of 3x minus 5. Here is a plus sign. Again 3 into 1. Here is a 3. Upon 2 in bracket 3x minus 5 raised to 3 by 2. Okay. And we can take here 3 as a common. इथे आपण 3 देखील common करू शकतो. Okay. If you take the 3 as a common into 5, then you will get 15. But what about here? 3 by 2 common घेतलेला आहे indirectly. Okay, 3 by 2 then you will get here 15 by 2. 3 into 5, 15 आणि हा denominator चा 2. Keep this bracket as it is. Next simplification. इथे काय? की raised to 3x minus 5 raised to 1 upon 2 and 3x minus 5 raised to 3 by 2. मग इथे या LCM घेतला आपण इथे. न्यूमरेटरला डिनोमिनेटरला आपण याला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार? 3x minus 5 ने multiplied करणार. Then this power will become 3x minus 5 raised to 3 by 2. मग both powers कसे असणार? Same असणार आहे. Again, हे simplification important आहे. Multiplied this 3x minus 5 root of 3x minus 5 by 3x minus 5. मग हा root म्हणजे half आणि 1 means what overall? 3x minus 5 raised to 3 by 2. इथे 3 by 2. We can add it. पण इथे न्यूमरेटरला पण आपण मल्टिप्लाय केलेला असतो. कशाने? 3x minus 5. तो 3x minus 5. इथला 1. Okay, because we have taken the 3 by 2 as a common. This is 1 upon 3x minus 5 raised to 3 by 2. 3x minus 5 plus 1. Then you get minus 4. Okay. Therefore, 3x minus 4 upon 3x minus 5 raised to 3 by 2. हे टर्म आपण इथे पुढे घेतलेलं आहे. आणि हा ब्रॅकेट लिहिलेला आहे. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to 15 by 2 into 3x minus 4 upon 3x minus 5 raised to 3 by 2. Okay. Into, in bracket, in root of 3x minus 5 minus 1 upon in root of 3x minus 5 bracket is to 4. And in this way, we have completed the question number 1. हा question number 1 जर सगळा तुम्ही बघितला, this is algebraic type of the function. Algebraic type आहे यामध्ये. सगळ्या पॉलिनॉमियल्स इन रूट वगैरे या टाइपचे घेतले आहेत, म्हणून मी हा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इंडिपेंडेंटली तो सॉल्व केलेला आहे. ओके. Now we will see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.